And with the island experiencing heavy rains, residents of Aenon town are calling for a bridge in the community to be fixed. Now, the residents complain that the problem is a long-standing one, but all they have been getting are promises. Here's Shamela Pullen. She was in the area and she now reports.
Danger.
We see when the water come down here, so the flood of the whole of this place and come round to come destroy.
Aenon town is a community that borders the parishes of Clarendon and St. Anne. Junior Hines has been a resident for over 30 years, so he knows the area quite well, especially when it rains. But the issue is not just the flooding that takes place. The main concern is this bridge that persons have to use on a regular basis.
It's a very dangerous place when the river comes down. Nobody can go back or forward. You got to stay for about 5 or 6, up to 7 hours.
The most recent flooding took place earlier this month, where an entire area was once again underwater. This has caused residents to be even more fearful. They complained the impact is great.
When my house flood, everything mash up. If they say hurricane they come now, I have to go start pack up. Flood, after you get the flood, the hurricane carry the flood. So from the flood up the whole area, my house they wash away. And they go straight to go right back to the last in the district that are now down start to work.
Anyway, crop they find it. Coffee planting, banana, everything washed down.
Goes through. And this is a very important road. This road link up the north course and the south course. And sometimes we have a lot of tourists get trapped at this point.
Councillor for the Borough Bridge Division, Winston Brown, says over the years, recommendations from both sides of the government were made for the bridge to be fixed, but nothing has happened. As such, residents are frustrated.
You got boat one wide and dig, put on back the rail.
I think we need a bridge from here, go over to the Byron Hall over there and lift it higher so that we can have better access.
I am calling Honorable Minister Warmington that we are badly in need of some assistance before we have loss of lives over there.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.